Also, a band called Neon. I don't expect you've ever heard of Neon. This is pretty obscure, and I didn't know much about Neon before last week once I started doing some research about them. Kurt Smith, Roland Orzabal, Manny Elias, who played a lot of drums for Tears for Fears, a guy named Neil Taylor, plus Pete Byrne and Rob Fisher of Naked Eyes. These people were all in Neon together. So Neon broke up in late 1981 and spawned Tears for Fears and also spawned Naked Eyes, which I think is kind of fascinating. Together as Neon, they only released 2 singles, and these were all in England. A song called Making Waves, and the B-side Me, I See in You, which was later re-recorded by Naked Eyes. That was in late 1980. And one in early 1981 called Communication Without Sound, and its B-side Remote Control. The second one sounds like synthesizer noodling, but it's interesting, and I'm going to play it because it's extraordinarily rare. Strange little record. That's Communication Without Sound by the group Neon.
In my mind, don't talk the night away. You know I ain't the talking kind. I don't want long discussions right into the night. I don't want words. We ain't got time to play around. I don't want words. Communication without sound. Right into the night. I don't want words. We ain't got time to play around. I don't want words. Communication without sound. Communication without sound. Communication without sound. Time to play around, I don't want words. Communication without sound. Communication without sound. Communication without sound. Communication. Communication without sound.
Neon, composed of members of Tears for Fears, and also the 2 guys from Naked Eyes. So that was recorded sometime in early 1981, came out as a single. Apparently it was on Carrere Records over in England. It was a British single that never came out here, and was released in the summer of 1981. Good luck trying to find it. So I'm Ron Boogie Monster Gerber. This is Crap from the Past here on KFAI. This week, all Tears for Fears, all the time, basically just because I can, and I think they're certainly a worthy band with so many obscurities that they deserve the full Crap from the Past treatment. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. So that there was Neon.